I cut my lemon balm way down. Harvested this big old basket of lemon balm. And now I'm going to make a cup of lemon balm tea. So I have my beautiful cup here, and it's full of hot water. And I've got my little tea cozy, my little portable tea cozy. And it is full, stuffed full of lemon balm, fresh lemon balm leaves. Okay, we'll have a look here. It doesn't look like much. It's been steeping for about 10 minutes. The leaves don't look much different. They're a bit darker. Yeah, I guess they are quite a bit darker. Let's give it a try.
How'd your mushrooms do?
Ooh, that tastes nice.
Huh? I wonder if you could put that in a bottle and give it to a...
That is really nice.